I'm gonna go.
No, like.
Definitely.
Yes, I knew it was on. Oh my, that's the funniest. So it's on?
Yeah. Don't. Ah, yeah.
Should we just go to Whopper? How far is that from here? Like an hour? What do you think? Are we on track? So after seeing that slide, Jamin says we're about 20 minutes from where we're trying to get. Oh, got some elevation. So this is not it. You don't know where to go. It's not flowing.
Not very well.
Sounds like it's flowing.
Yeah, you can see it, but it's not right.
Ah, there it is.
For all the times TJ's made me do stupid shit, I'm asking him for one thing. To jump off there with me. It's not even big.
It is, it's like 10 meters.
Minus a few centimeters.
This is a bad idea. Stupid jump.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Oh! Oh! Oh wait. I found this rare drone flying specimen.
Jamin thought he got bitten by a funnel web, but it was a jumping jack, which is also bad because they hurt bad. I think you'd be dead if it was a funnel web. Okay, I gotta use GoPro because the battery ran out. You did well to remember which random creek to walk down.
Yeah, I'm proud of myself.
Yeah.